Hello and happy Taco Tuesday from beautiful San Diego, California, one of my favorite cities in the world. We are next to the University of San Diego right now, right by this area called Presidio Park. But before this, we were by San Diego State University off El Cajon Boulevard, and we were looking at a 1930s home. The customer called us out to do a foundation inspection, and he was experiencing some settling on the center of the house and then towards the back of the house. So we did our inspection over there, and now we're going to tell you about it. Yeah, the homeowner has been there for 22 years. It's about a 12 or 1,300 square foot house. He's had multiple foundation inspections done throughout the time, but has never done any work on the property. So he called us out because he's getting more cracks. He's had to shave his door frame, stuff like that, seeing a lot of exterior stucco cracking, cracks on the footing, some spalling on the footing, and so forth. I use a drawing program called ArcSight, and so I draw everything on the iPad. So it's kind of what it looks like. I know it's too bright out here for you to see it at this point, but I took all the elevations, took pictures, went underneath the crawl space. It is down about 3 inches. So the center of the house dips down about 3 inches, and towards the back perimeter where you're seeing some other settling was down about 2 inches. So I'm gonna send him a proposal today we're gonna do helical piers along the back, and it's a 1930s home, so it's like 90 years old. So you don't wanna really lift homes like that. You wanna stabilize them from further movement. Then they can adjust things accordingly because it's never gonna move again. And then after the helical piers, I'm gonna put in some steel jacks in the crawl space. So I'm gonna propose that to him, and we'll be able to lift up some of that subfloor so he won't feel that real big dip in the hallway that him and his family complain about. So that's it. Happy, beautiful Taco Tuesday from beautiful San Diego, California, and we're off to our next inspection.